Daughter.
Doctor.
No, my grandfather from Philippines.
Your my grandfather is the Philippines. Who is your
Yes.
mother live?
Manila.
And now you is here in Manila right now?
No. I stay Malaysia. I born Malaysia.
So we have my bonbon.
Bon natin apa pula. I born in
Yeah,
Malaysia.
bon. Yeah, bon. You is from Malaysia and you is bon, right?
Kita apa juga natin ni. Orang kata itik dengan tikus gini, itik dengan ayam kecil. Saya mahu tahu itik dengan ayam kecil.
Itigayi kati?